My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware code 2700. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will show you the negative impact of this ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover some files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover the files. Anyway, before the ransomware attack, users are able to open their files without troubles. But unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this 2700 ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. And so very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware 2700 encrypts the files and appends this 2700 extension to the file names. The ransomware also tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do urgently is to get rid of this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software. I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner, by the way, on the official site combocleaner.com. But to download it, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser. Other browsers may be damaged by this ransomware. So through Internet Explorer, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and then start researching your computer with its help. The software is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan and the program will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. But first of all, it may update its anti-malware database, of course. Pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner, though, does not decrypt files. At the end of this scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know all their exact locations. So some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. And this way your data will always be protected. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover at least some of your files.